Hi, my name is Isabella, and today I'll be presenting my final project, True Connection, a new social media platform designed to solve one of the biggest problems in modern technology today. Social media has become excellent at capturing attention, but often poor at creating meaningful connections. While current platforms keep users engaged, many fail to improve well being or relationships. True Connection is designed to change that. The problem: most major social media platforms, such as TikTok, Instagram, and X, are built around one main goal: maximizing engagement. In other words, they want users to stay online for as long as possible. To do this, many platforms rely on algorithms that prioritize emotionally intense, controversial, or addictive content. This often creates endless scrolling, comparison culture, outrage, and unhealthy screen habits. The concept of surveillance capitalism: many tech companies profit by turning user attention and data into revenue. As a result, many users spend more time online but do not necessarily feel more connected. This creates incentives for outrage, controversy, unrealistic lifestyles, and compulsive scrolling behavior, according to Zuboff 2019 article. Evidence. There is strong evidence that heavy social media users can be have a negatively affected mental health. The American Psychological Association reports that excessive use is linked to anxiety, depression, poor sleep, and lower self-esteem, according to their article in 2023. Research by Twenge and Campbell also found that higher screen time is associated with lower psychological well-being among young people, in an article from 2018. Another study found that reducing social media use actually lowered loneliness and depression in college students, by an article by Hunt from 2018. This suggests that current platforms may be maximizing engagement while ignoring user well-being. My solution is True Connection, a platform that rewards connection instead of addiction. Rather than measuring success by how long users stay online, True Connection focuses on helping users build healthier relationships and more meaningful digital experiences. The goal is simple: quality over quantity. True Connection changes the incentive system. Instead of rewarding time spent scrolling, it rewards with meaningful interactions. The platform is designed, again, to help around quality over quantity and healthier user behavior. True Connection features. True Connection would include 5 main features. First, users would have a default 30-minute daily usage limit to encourage healthier habits. Second, public likes and follower counts would be removed. This reduces social comparison and pressure. Third, feeds would prioritize close friends, trusted communities, and real relationships instead of viral strangers. Fourth, users would receive thoughtful prompts such as, "What made you happy today?" or something like, "What challenges did you overcome this week?" Something like this encourages authentic sharing. Finally, the platform would detect doom scrolling behavior and suggest breaks or wellness reminders. These features align with growing consumer demand for wellness-centered technology. Why this works. This proposal is realistic because users are already showing a demand for healthier alternatives. Apps like Be Real gained popularity by emphasizing authenticity instead of perfection. Many Gen Z users now report burnout with traditional social media and constant comparison. At the same time, the global wellness economy continues to grow rapidly, showing that consumers increasingly value products that improve well-being. This means the market is ready for a new model. Value proposition. True Connection creates value for several important stakeholders. For users, it provides a less stressful and more meaningful online experience. For investors, it offers access to a growing digital wellness market. For brands, it creates a higher trust environment where advertising feels less intrusive. And for schools and universities, it could help reduce harmful screen habits and improve student well-being. This makes True Connection both socially valuable and economically viable. Core concepts. This project connects to two core concepts. The first is surveillance capitalism, where platforms profit from collecting user data and maximizing attention. True Connection would offer an alternative model based on subscriptions and ethical advertising. The second is network effects, meaning platforms become more valuable as more people join. To grow, True Connection could launch through colleges, clubs, and local communities where strong social networks already exist. Why now? Now is the time for a platform like True Connection. Public concern about mental health, youth anxiety, addictive design, and screen dependence continues to rise. People do not need more content, they need better connection. The next generation of social media should compete for better outcomes, not just more screen time. True Connection is built around one simple belief. Technology should improve human relationships, not exploit them. Social media has the power to connect people, but only if it is designed with users, not just profits in mind. Thank you for listening, and I hope you consider investing in True Connection. Here are my sources.